So let's talk about how to add a comment to a specific cell or group of cells. If you would like to comment on one specific cell, simply click that cell, or a group of cells, you just simply highlight all of those cells. And there are about 4 ways to add comments. The first way to add a comment is to right-click on the cells that you would like to comment on, and towards the bottom you see the comment function right there. The second way to add a comment is in your toolbar. You have the comment icon. If you click that, you will be able to add a comment. The other way to add a comment is where insert is, click the insert tab, and then towards the bottom, you'll see the comment function there for you to select. The fourth and final way to add a comment, once you have your cell selected, in the right-hand corner next to share, if you click the little comment button, you can view your comment history, but you can also add a comment there. So I'm going to go ahead and just do this one, add a comment. Type your comments, and maybe you would like someone to be assigned this comment because this is something specific to a certain person, not to the entire group. You want someone to take care of this specific cell or group of cells. There are a couple of ways to assign a comment. You could either click the plus sign and then type in someone's email address, or you can also type the @ sign like you're on Facebook or Twitter and type in that person's email address. Once you select their email address, click assign to that person and then click assign one final time, and that person will receive an email with your comments.